What's going on, Domination Crew? It's two dudes, and today we're going to be talking about how much money does it take to get involved with private label dropshipping.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Welcome if you guys are new to the channel. I'm Rico.
Danny.
And we talk about all things Amazon. So if you like that type of stuff, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little while. The notification bell's around here somewhere, not sure where it is, but make sure you click it.
So, how much money does it take to
How
start?
much money does it take to start? This is the question we get
Oh my
more
God,
often.
twice, 3 times a day?
With private label dropshipping, you can start with around $200-300.
Yeah.
Like, you really don't need that much money to get started. Like, you literally can start with $200-300. FBA, probably gonna spend almost $2,000-3,000. The reason why you can spend so little is because you're not buying all the product up front. Okay, you're not buying all this product in bulk and sending it into Amazon and then paying for giveaways and losing money through promotions like, coupon codes and all this stuff. Like, it really bones you in the end, because people don't realize the true cost of going Amazon FBA right off the bat. $200-300 is really all you need to get going. Be careful with what you're hearing from all these other people. Like, you listen to the guys who are actually doing this. We're preaching this for a reason. So guys, make sure you check out the links in the description below. You already know what it is, man. Get down there, get that free ebook, get into our free masterclass. If you get to the masterclass, you get the ebook for free, so you don't have to get 2 links. Get into the free Facebook group, guys. We go through we drop tons of knowledge on you, and then we give you stuff for free. We give out PlayStations and Switches and all types of craziness. I mean, who knows? Maybe we'll start.
Gurus.
We're the giveaway gurus.
Giveaway gurus.
That's why we have supercars for real, because we give away all of them.
Never give away everything.
Give away everything. That's why we don't have supercars. With that being said, man, be safe, be smart. Get out there, make some money. We'll catch you in the next one.